Welcome back. This is day 3 of the Learn English in 30 Days playlist. Yesterday you listened. You didn't speak. You didn't test yourself. You just stayed with English. And today something changes. Not in a big way, not in a dramatic way, but in a real way. Today we start using English.
I can feel that it's different today.
Different how?
Yesterday felt quiet. Today feels exposed.
That's a very honest description. Listening is private. Speaking feels public. Even when no one is watching. Even when no one is listening. It still feels like someone can hear your thoughts. Before we start the lesson, let's introduce ourselves properly. Not like students, like people. Hello, my name is Maya. I'll be your guide during this 30-day journey. I'm not here to make English fast. I'm not here to make you memorize. I'm here to make English comfortable.
Okay, I'll go. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm the learner here, and I'm still a little shy.
That was perfect. Not because it was fluent. Not because it was loud. Because it was real.
I always feel strange introducing myself in English. Like I'm pretending to be someone else. Like I'm wearing someone else's voice.
That feeling is very common. But here's something important. You're not becoming someone else. You're not acting. You're not pretending. You're just using another language. You're still you. Same personality. Same thoughts. Same silence when you need it. Before we continue, let me say one small thing to the people watching. If this calm way of learning feels right for you, if you like English without pressure, you can like the video or subscribe to the channel. It helps this series grow, and it helps other adults find it too. All right, let's continue. Today's topic is simple: saying hello and saying goodbye.
It sounds simple, but it's usually the hardest moment.
Exactly, because it's not about vocabulary. It's about courage. It's about that small second before the word comes out. Let me ask you something, Sarah. Have you ever been in a place where you wanted to say hello in English, but you didn't?
Yes, at work, in meetings, in the hallway, even in elevators.
Elevators are the worst.
Yes, you're trapped with the silence. You can't escape. You just look at the numbers going up.
And the longer the elevator moves, the heavier the silence feels.
Exactly. And my brain is screaming, "Say hello," but my mouth says nothing.
And usually you know the word hello. That's not the problem. The problem is the moment, the timing, the pressure, the fear of what comes next. So today, we're not learning many words. We're learning how to enter English calmly. Let's start with the safest word. Hello.
Hello?
Good. Hello is polite. Neutral. Always correct. You can say hello and stop. You don't owe anyone a perfect sentence. You don't owe anyone confidence.
I never thought of it like that.
Most people don't. They think hello is a promise to speak more. It's not. It's just a door. You open it. You decide later if you want to walk in. Now let's add another common word. Hi.
Hi.
Perfect. Hi is friendly, relaxed, very human.
I think hi feels less scary. It feels softer.
Then use hi. English works best when it sounds like you, not like a textbook, not like a test, like a person, Now, after hello or hi, people often say one more thing. How are you?
That question makes my brain freeze.
Because you take it seriously. But in English, it's usually just a greeting. It's like saying, I see you. You're not expected to explain your emotions. You can answer simply, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay.
Even if I'm tired? Even if I had a bad day?
Yes, English greetings are polite habits, not emotional interviews. You can be honest later, not in the elevator.
That makes sense.
Let's try a short conversation. Imagine we're at work. We pass each other in the morning. Hi, I'm Maya. How are you?
Hi, Maya. I'm good.
Excellent. That was real English.
It felt short. Almost too short.
Short is good. Short is successful. English doesn't need to be long to be correct. Many adults think speaking English means talking a lot. It doesn't. It means connecting, even briefly, even for 5 seconds. Now let's talk about goodbyes, because every conversation ends, and endings matter.
I think I'm better at leaving than starting.
Most people are. Leaving feels safer. You already survived the conversation. The simplest goodbye is, bye.
Bye.
Good. Short. Friendly. No pressure. You can also say, goodbye. It's polite. A little more formal.
I say that at work. When I want to sound professional,
That's perfect English. Context matters. Another very common phrase is, see you or see you later.
even if I don't see the person again,
Yes, English goodbyes are emotional, not logical. They mean, our interaction was friendly.
English is strange.
It is. But it's kind. Let's do a full conversation now. Take your time. Imagine we just met. Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, Maya. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, I have to go now. See you later.
Bye. Have a nice day.
That was very good. Not perfect. Natural.
I didn't freeze this time.
Because yesterday you listened. Listening created this moment. Think about day 1. English felt heavy. Day 2, you listened without pressure. Day 3, you spoke calmly. That's progress.
It feels slow, but solid.
That's exactly how real learning feels. Fast progress disappears. Solid progress stays. If you're watching this and you're on day 3, remember this. You are not late. You are not bad at English. You are learning in the right order. In day 4, we'll talk about daily routines. Simple things you do every day. Things that help you speak more naturally. This is a 30-day journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue.
Bye.
See you in day 4. Take your time. English is starting to feel familiar.